Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on this Mitsubishi Fuso. So if you want to change your air filter, it's located right in here. Right in there. To open it, there's a knob right here. And one other one right in there. These two. Then that comes off. And you have this lock unlock. What you want to do is press it this way, and that comes off. To install a new one, you just put it in. If you want to order one, this is the part number from Mitsubishi Fuso. Put it in, you just this way. Like this. And that locks it. Unlock, lock. And it stays in there. And you line this up. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll see if I can answer them. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.